bike ride along the canal, and we've come across a little orchard that you can help yourself to apples. There's Ryan getting a few. So that one ain't no good. Got a few trees here and quite a few apples. So we'll take a few home and see what they're like. It looks like it's all different types of apple tree, so it's all different types of apples. And we're walking presently, well, not while we're walking, cycling. Along the Bridgwater Taunton canal. So anyway, we'll be about to head on our way in a minute. Mind you, that isn't going to go without its problems. Ryan's bicycle has decided to develop a problem. That's breaking up, the bearings are breaking up in it. So we might be pushing that back home, and that's a few miles. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.